Welcome to this video, where we explore the geometry of a Ferris wheel. Notice how the Ferris wheel forms a perfect circle. If we know the length of the radius, the distance from the center to any point on the edge, we can calculate the circumference. John is sitting on the Ferris wheel. If he goes one full round, what distance does he cover? The distance traveled in one full round is equal to the circumference of the circle. Let's assume the radius is approximately 7.7 meters. To find the circumference, we use the formula, pi times the diameter. The diameter is twice the radius, so 15.4 meters. Therefore, the distance traveled is 3.14 times 15.4 meters. But how do we know the formula for the circumference of a circle involves pi times the diameter? To learn the concept behind calculating the circumference, please check out the video Area Perimeter A06 by Animated Maths for All Series 1. You can learn the solutions for more critical thinking questions and mathematical concepts in the full Animated Maths for All playlist. This video is part of the Animated Maths for All Series 1, Maths No Myth.